done. Everything that happened to me that is good, God did it. Oh yes He did. Oh, everything that happened to me that is good, God did it. Oh yes He did. He picked me up, turned me around, placed my feet on solid ground. Everything that happened to me that is good, God did it. Oh yes He did. I said everything that happened to me that is good, God did it. Oh yes He did. Oh, everything that happened to me that is good, God did it. Oh yes He did. I've been sick, but I couldn't get well, but He healed my body, and now I got to tell everything that happened to me that is good, God did it. Oh yes He did. God did it. Oh yes He did. God did it. Oh yes He did. He picked me up and He turned me around. He placed my feet on solid ground. When I was lost out in the world of sin, Jesus came and He took me on in. When I was sick, thought I couldn't get well, He healed my body. Now I got to tell. Now say yes, yeah, yeah. Say yes, yeah, yeah. Say yes, yes. Say yes, yes. Who did it? I wanna know. Who woke you up early this morning? Glory in your right mind. Didn't let you sleep too late. He woke you up right on time. Who made the mountains? Who made the trees? Who made the river go out to the sea? Who hung the moon from the starry skies? Who made the flowers bloom in the spring? Who wrote the song for the robin to sing? Who sent the rain every time the earth is dry? Who gives the faith? I'm talking about faith. Oh, faith that'll never, ever, ever die. Mama couldn't do it. Daddy couldn't do it. Sister couldn't do it. Brother couldn't do it. I went to the preacher and I found out he couldn't save me. So I went to the doctor and I found out he couldn't heal me. So I went to the lawyer and I sat down. I talked to him for a while. I found out that he couldn't do it. So I went a little further. I went over to my friends. Only Jesus. Jesus. Only Jesus. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, Jesus. Makes you wanna shout a brand new shout. Makes you wanna dance a brand new dance. Shout hallelujah. My trouble's over. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, Jesus. Yeah. Come on now. Everything that happened to me that is good, God did it. Oh yes He did. Come on now.